Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today above 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is a cautious sign for short selling. Over here, this entire range has broken on the downside, forming low top, low bottom. From last two three weeks, we've seen a high top, high bottom formation in the very short term. But we have assumed that this is a bounce here of this entire leg, and I'll be expecting a retracement of this entire leg by almost around 61%, which is around 6170 levels. So that will be a very crucial level to watch out for. I'll not be expecting markets to go above 6170 and 6200. 6200 is this gap area here. I'll not be expecting this gap to be filled on the upside. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so the entire cycle is just about to complete till the zero line and then give a sell signal on the downside, because this entire bounce is not a impulsive move. So it's a corrective move. So I'll be expecting this entire bounce to break on the downside, this entire sideways range to break on the downside. On the hourly charts, this is the retracement levels, which is around 6200 levels on Nifty, which is very important in the very short term. I'll not be expecting markets to go above these levels and fill this gap on the hourly charts. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have already given a sell signal, so I'll be expecting small consolidation here and then the breakout of this entire range on the downside. Bank Nifty is facing resistance at this low, downward sloping trend line here, which is around 10700 levels, which is very crucial for the markets and also for Bank Nifty. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal but has already completed the cycle to the zero line. So the support should be around 10400 and 1080. Resistance would be around 10700 and 10900. So this entire channel is expected to follow now. Complete on the downside, and the next target in the medium term outlook would be around 9500, which is the lower end of this channel. Bank of Baroda is looking negative. This flag pattern is expected to break on the downside. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have given a sell signal. So this consolidations have always been breaking on the downside for bank index at least, and for specific banks in the PSU sector. Stop loss should be maintained at 551 and target should be around 520 and 500 on the downside. Second stock is Exide Industries. Even this stock is looking negative. This triangle pattern has formed here, and I'll be expecting this pattern to break on the downside. It has faced resistance around 40 daily moving average and the upper end of the Bollinger Band on the daily chart. So it's a negative sign for the stock, and the momentum indicator has completed a cycle till the zero line. So I'll be expecting the breakout of this pattern on the downside. So the stop loss should be maintained at 110 and target would be around 104 and 100. So overall friends, still we are expecting markets to go on downside. This entire bounce is expected to face resistance around 6170. That will be a very crucial level to watch, and then above that 6200. If the markets close above 6200, then the short-term bias would change to positive, and in fact even a medium-term outlook will change to positive, because Nifty would be closing above a 20 weekly moving average, which is around 6170 again. So 6170 will remain a very crucial level to watch. Thank you so much.